Wow. Wow. Let me try this on my cheeks. Hold on. Oh my god. So I have some like redness here. Let's see if it covers it up. Hi. Kiera, why do you look so unbelievably clapped? Well, kids, I always do. But I look especially crusty today because I'm bringing back something that I used to do all the time that I haven't done in forever. And that is a weird, embarrassing, cringy attempt doing makeup. Every time I try to do this, it doesn't work. It never turns out alright. But maybe today is a day that I will get some talent. Probably not. But here goes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, even if it's just a pity subscribe because look at my face, press that red button down below at that side or that, I don't know. And also give this a thumbs up! I don't know why I screamed. I thought that they would give it more energy and maybe you'd be more like compelled to subscribe or something. Ugh. I look crusty, I feel crusty, but I guess let's just get on with the video. Get the hair out of thy face. I like this, it makes me like a pineapple. Great, so... Today I'm going to be doing something that I surprisingly haven't done yet, and that's the full face of makeup just using eyeshadow challenge. Here's all my eyeshadows. And what I'm going to be doing with them today is putting them on my face. Why am I speaking like this? I'm going to be trying to create something mildly beautiful that mildly resembles makeup, which honestly probably won't look too far from my regular makeup skills because I am terrible at makeup. Like when I wear makeup and when I don't wear makeup, there's really not that much of a difference in my face because I just look gross all the time because I'm not good at it. I don't even know why I bother. I'm depressed already. Let's go. Okay, to start off with, I think I have to this is too close to my neck. I have to find a colour that kind of resembles foundation. Let's get some foundation. Let's put it on my hand. Science 101. How to do science. Oh yeah. So I've put that there. And now let's go into this palette. Okay. That's this colour from this palette. I'm so descriptive. Yeah, way to use the names. These even have names. Don't think these have names. Great. The last time I used this palette in a video, the girl who actually like created the palette commented on the video. So I'm so sorry if I've degraded your palette names. This one from Naked Palette's kind of too dark. I've lost it. I think we're just gonna go with the middle one. Yeah, let's just not overcomplicate this. So I'm just gonna dip this into the eyeshadow like this. Why am I doing this? And then I'm gonna paint it onto my face. That's not doing anything. Is it doing something? I don't know. This is gonna take a really long time. Wow, I'm so incompetent. Why am I doing this? I really can't tell if this is actually doing something or not. It's masking my face in dust ever so slightly. In a very translucent dust that is very, very close to my natural shade. I'm not really entirely sure what's happening, slash if this is working. It's always worth a shot. Oh, that I have to do the whole other side of this face. Great. Oh, wait, this is a good test. So I have some like redness here. I don't really know why. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if it covers it up. Maybe it is doing something then. I don't know. I'm not even good at actual makeup. I don't even know why I thought I'd be able to review these kind of techniques. But genuinely, I'm having fun. I never make YouTube videos for any other reason that isn't fun. Because if I didn't have a channel, this is the kind of thing that I would be sitting around in my bedroom doing anyway. I just get to share it with hundreds of thousands of people, which is just great. I dipped into the wrong colour. This has made my incredibly patchy, uneven skin tone much more patchy and uneven than it already was. Can you tell I don't sleep? Okay, well, I mean, it did something. Okay, so next, we're gonna brighten it up and we're gonna go in with the same palette. Oh my god, it's me. There's two me's. You don't need two me's. I'm gonna go in the same palette and I'm gonna go in this white shade. Oh, by the way, keep you updated, my camera is still nowhere near me. I'm still on my phone, and this is what my setup looks like right now. I shouldn't be allowed a YouTube channel, honestly. I can't believe you're actually watching this. I'm gonna put the white here and like see what happens. I don't know. Why isn't it working? It's almost like translucent powder, but like white. I'm gonna have to get a new palette after this because the white's like my favorite shade in this palette for some reason. I use so much more of it than any other color. Why do I look so stoned? Let's just put like some highlight here. Great. I've ruined it. Put some of the dark stuff back over it again. Next, I'm gonna get a contour brush. I think that's what it is anyway. And I'm gonna stay in, actually no, I'm gonna move palette. Going to go into this Naked Urban Decay one because the shades are very cool. And a beauty guru once told me that when you're contouring, you use cool tones to create the effect of a shadow or something like, I don't know what I'm saying. Wait, let me just, and I'm just gonna dip into this one right here and then a little bit of this one. Oh, pigmented. I have no idea what I've just done. Kill me. Okay, that was interesting. Where's the saving brush? I can't find it, but I have this one brush and you rub it on stuff and it just fixes everything. You can rub this on whatever you want. Not that on your face, and it just fixes everything, like, sort of. Some things can't be fixed. What a great contour, Kiera. Honestly, this is not going well. Then I'm gonna get the same, and I'm gonna do my nose. Cool. Where do I even go from here? I'm gonna grab this big fluffy thing, and where are some warm colors? I'm gonna go into here and grab these warmer tone ones, and I'm gonna put them around here, like, what's it called? Bronzer. What I have learned is eyeshadow is a lot more pigmented than actual makeup for a reason. Okay, that didn't work. Next, I'm really losing faith already. I'm gonna grab this and I'm gonna put it in here of this palette and then see what happens. Ah, nothing. Cool. It's exactly what I expected. Okay, nothing again. Let's try something else. Put it in these two colors of this one, even though there's nothing in there. See if this does something. I mean, it sparkles slightly to an extent. Oh! It did something. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna get a smaller brush, this one, that I lost and then recently rediscovered this one recently, and I was so happy. Yes, my name's Kiera, and I don't clean any of my brushes before I film a video showing them to everyone. No, everyone can just see my face dirt. I'm gonna dip it into this one. Why am I acting like this is an actual makeup tutorial that you care? Like, yeah, of course you care what eyeshadow you can use to conceal your blemishes with. That looks kind of sparkly. I'm also gonna put it here. Wow. Wow. Let me try this on my cheeks. Hold on. Oh my god. Okay, I'm getting carried away. Maybe it just needed to be more concentrated. Like juice. On the subject of juice. From this angle, it looks like poop. But from this angle, it looks great. So moving on. Okay, next up. What's next? Ooh, blush. I feel like I'm doing makeup backwards today. Blush. I'm gonna roughly do this in the general pink shades. Tap that off because we know how pigmented eyeshadow is, kids. And then, yep. Way too much. Cool. I mean, at least it means they're good eyeshadow, right? At least it means they serve their actual purpose and not their fake purpose. Don't think any of these products are bad because they're not working as foundation. That's like eating bread and being like, it doesn't taste like oranges, I don't like it. Okay, eyebrows. Gonna get this eyebrow brush. This shade right here, I actually used to use for my eyebrows, so I'm gonna do that. However, my hair was blonde when I used to do that, so I don't know if that's gonna work. Ah, oh my god, I just dropped everything. Okay, so I don't know if that's gonna work out anymore. I guess it kind of is. Well, my eyebrows don't look that great, but that's fine. Actual eyeshadow now. Let's do something adventurous. It's probably a bad idea. I'm gonna go into my favorite one. I'm gonna get this one, and I'm gonna grab that color right there, and then just do that. Oh yeah, that's what you do with makeup. Put it down and hope for the best. And then you do the same thing to the other eye, because why would you do a different thing? Oh yeah, that's the kind of thing I do because I'm stupid. I want to go back to my old eyeshadow look because I really miss doing it. This is the best orange of all time. Nothing will ever compete with extra bitter. Like me. Like all of my ex-friends at my success. Like everyone who's ever tried to bring me down because they can't handle that I'm perfect and they're not. Like, I'm sorry I'm rich and you're not. That's not true. Great. Oh my god. How else can we be adventurous? Ooh, let's do some eyeliner. I'm actually quite impressed with myself. Ooh, I could do a weird like blendy thing to make it ooh. And then let's see if I can do one of the little flick things. I'm probably gonna ruin it, aren't I? Yeah, I am. I got a bit carried away and it looks kind of ugly, but at two different angles and it's smudged. That's fine. Nothing defines beauty. How am I gonna do mascara? I just rub my finger in some black eyeshadow and then... Good job, Kiera. Let's stop that. Next, lipstick. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. Dip my finger in it and then hope for the best. Okay, tell me why is that really pretty? Tell me why does that look really good and feel really nice? Should we go one step further and ruin it? Yeah, we should. And then make it into a metallic lipstick. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's not ruining it for once. Now that's crazy. Wowza! You know what? I don't really know what this video was. I don't really know what the purpose was of this either, but could this pass for real makeup? It's not that bad. This looks kind of hideous. This looks kind of hideous, but that's just my bad skills. My eyebrows don't really match. Again, my bad skills, but the actual like eyeshadow, it kind of works. The lipstick, tell me why I like that. I don't get it. Do you get it? Foundation, I mean it's there, but it's like also not. 10 out of 10 wouldn't do it again. 10 out of 10 wouldn't recommend for a friend. However, it was a good adventure. I don't really know what else to say apart from subscribe to my YouTube channel or die. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below something. And I don't really know what else to say, okay? Goodbye. Don't try this at home.